have seen in our earlier classes or the lower classes, subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number without regrouping and with regrouping, right? Now today we will see subtraction of a 3-digit number from a 3-digit number without regrouping, that is without borrowing. Okay? So we'll start subtracting from marking as ones column, tens column and hundreds column and start the subtraction. So ones column, tens column and hundreds column. So we always start addition or subtraction from ones column. So in here in subtraction we keep the small number in our mind and count till we get the big number. So 3 in your mind, count up to 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers you got? 3. So what will the number be here as? 3. Next, 7 minus 5. 5 in your mind, count up to 5, 6. Sorry, 6, 7. How many fingers you got? 2. Now 8 minus 4. 4 in your mind, count after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers you got? 4. So right? 4. So the difference is 423. The answer in subtraction is called difference. Okay. Now come to the next problem. Start marking ones column, tens column and hundreds column. In higher classes you will not be given this ones, tens and hundreds column. You should only mark them and you should only start the subtraction. Okay. Only in first lower classes, that is first class, they will give you ones column and tens column. From second class they won't give you any columns. Okay. You have to mark it yourself. Now 7 minus 5. So 5 in your mind, count after 5, 6, 7. Okay. How many fingers you got? 2. 5 minus 4. 4 in your mind, count after 4, 5. How many fingers you got? 1. So right? 1. 9 minus 3. What is the small number here? 3. 3 in your mind, count after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers you got? 5 plus 1, 6. So the difference is 6, 1, 2. And we read this number as 612. This is 423. The next mark the ones column, tens column and the hundreds column. Start subtracting from the ones column. 2 minus 1. When you subtract 1 from any number, you get the before number. What is the before number of 2 is? 1. Okay. 8 minus 4. Small number in your mind for subtraction. 4 in your mind, count after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers you got? 4. So write 4. Next, 5 minus 4. 4 in your mind, count after 4, 5. How many fingers you got? 1. So the difference is, how do we read this number? 141? 141. Okay, 141. Come to the next one. Mark the ones column, tens column, hundreds column. Okay. 1 minus 0. When you subtract 0 from any number, what do you get, children? You should remember we get the same number. So bring down the 1 as it is. 1. 8 minus 5. 5 in your mind, count after 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers you got? 3. 1, 2, 3. So right? 3. So here 1 minus 1. What will be the answer? When you subtract any number from itself, you get the answer 0. Okay? So the answer is, or the difference is, we don't have any number in hundreds column here. So we read this number as 3131. 031 is called 31. Okay, children? So this is subtraction of a 3-digit number from a 3-digit number without regrouping, that is without borrowing. Okay? Normal subtraction. So this 2-digit number we mark it as ones and tens. When you get 3-digit number we mark it as hundreds column. Okay? Clear? Understood?